What is going on, folks? Welcome back. Today I got me an Anker Soundcore. This is the Motion Boom Plus. Yeah, so it's a mouthful, but let me just explain. Motion Boom was released like last year. This is the newer model. Basically, it has the plus on it because they gave you some, well, you can see on the box right here. They gave you some strap for you to actually wear this as well. So anyway, I'm excited to have this in my house right here. I did pay this with my own money. Just don't tell the wife. But this thing is gonna blast pretty hard, and you're gonna hear it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna test this thing out and see how powerful it is. I've been trying out a bunch of JBL stuff, so this is my first Anker. So I'm expecting this thing to actually beat out JBL, because this is a direct competitor of JBL actually. If you guys know Anker, you know that they make like battery packs, really good battery packs, right? And also, by the way, their headphones has been doing pretty well also. Pretty high quality stuff that they've been doing out there. Anyway, they're getting into all sorts of space, and this is just one of their latest. Okay, so I guess this is the modern day boombox that everyone's using. You know, back in the days, you know, the cassette tapes. Some of y'all don't remember that. That's fine. But anyway, this is the modern day radio box right here. It's pretty hefty. The whole thing is plastic. So you look right here, there's actually some corners that you can put a strap on. I'm not going to do that. I actually like it like this. I'm not going to carry it. But the buttons are up on top here, just like a regular boombox that you would get out there. Pretty cool. And on the sides is where you're gonna find some subwoofer on the side here, both sides, yeah. And then the back. Yeah. So this thing is supposed to be like, I think, waterproof. That's the reason why this thick old rubber is on the back right here, so that, you know, when you cover it up, nothing's gonna hit those ports. But on the back right here, you got yourself USB-C, USB-A, and an auxiliary port, just in case you want to plug your phone in. By the way, Anker actually used their IQ technology and put it right here. So you're gonna be able to charge your phone a lot faster. Okay, so next up, let's see here. Let's test this thing out. By the way, it does come with a USB-C cord, so you can charge the boombox, all right? Hopefully there's some batteries in there. We can test this. Let's see. Cool. By the way, they do have a function called bass up or something like that, where you can actually boost the bass even more. I'm excited to try that out. Where's my phone? Right away, I can see that it says Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. Connect that. Okay, looks like I'm connected. All right, so right now I want to turn it like halfway, and I'm going to play this song where it starts out really low and then it's gonna boom. You're gonna hear it. Ready? Okay. That is pretty loud. Oh my God, I'm gonna wake up the neighbor. That is pretty loud. That's halfway. That's halfway. These two subwoofer on the side here is amazing. Okay. I want to turn it up all the way. Hopefully no one's gonna come yell at me. Hold on. All right, here we go. This is full blast. too loud. That is very loud. So there's also like a little bass button right here. I'm afraid to press it actually. Let me try this. Oh, okay. Actually, that was bass. That was extra bass. I press it again and the light turns off. So that means it's off. So let's hear it without the extra bass, because that was a lot of bass. I was sitting here, my heart was pumping. Hold on. Okay, so this is without the extra bass. Full blast still. Okay. Okay. I should have waited for everyone to leave the house before I did this video. But anyway, so with the extra bass button, I feel like the bass is a little bit deeper. I mean, me sitting right next to it, right next to the bass module, actually, the subwoofer. I feel like the bass is a little bit deeper when I hit that button. But for sure, this thing is very, very loud. Yeah, this is definitely the modern boombox. Look at this. There's like 4 speakers up in front here. 2 like mini tweeters. Is that what you call it? Tweeter. I don't want to call it Twitter, but tweeters. 2 very small ones right there, and then 2. I guess these are the normal speakers that's in the front right here. Again, the subwoofer is actually facing me, and I definitely feel that bass. Definitely feel it. Anyway, I think I'm done with this test. So that's the Anker Soundcore right there. Motion Boom Plus or something like that. That's what they call it. Anyway, have a good one. Bye-bye.